Good morning everyone. My name is Priyanshu Jain. I am from Jaipur, Rajasthan. Currently, I am pursuing post-graduation diploma in management from Institute of Rural Management, Jaipur. Today, I am here to present a case study on pharmaceuticals company product in market. So let's start with the introduction of the company, which is given in the case study. Pharmaceutical company was established in 2005. Company provide pharma drugs and medicines to the market. Company survive in the market successfully without any competition from MNCs because the institutional buying of various government and charitable hospitals. The company manages itself as a leading pharma company in India, so that they become a leading company in India of drugs and medicines. For the further proceedings and descriptions, we follow SCQA method. In this method is as follows that S belongs to situation where it's denote a situation in the case that what type of situations are there in the company, and C represents as a complications. What is the complications are there in the case given in the case to the company. Q represents the questions of that case and A represents the answers of that case. So situation of the company which is given in the case. In 2015, MD of the company decided to launch a new product. He floated an idea of manufacturing and do marketing of biscuits which rich in protein, minerals and vitamin, means they want to promote a new product which content is protein, minerals and vitamins. The decision of this product is based on a survey which is conducted by marketing research department of his company. This decision is based on a survey which is conducted by the marketing team. Okay, company manufacture and promote his new product with the name of Triple Plus. The name of the new product which is given by the MD of the company is Triple Plus. It was supplied to the market in 14-gram packet consists of 60 biscuit at a price of like that key. They provide 400-gram packet consisting of 60 biscuit at a price of 445. What are the complications which is faced by the company and the members? Product was very highly advertised in newspaper, health magazines, radio and television. They are promoted his product as a very wide range, in a very wide range in newspaper, health magazines, radio and television, that targeted only those people who are health conscious and upper middle class person who could afford the product. They only targeted that person who are afford that product only, and that product only, who are the health conscious. Company also distributes its product to 50 stockists and 150 medical stores. After all these efforts, product was unable to attract the customer. All these efforts put in by the members, they are failed and they cannot attract to the customers. Pharma company achieve only 25% of its sales target in first year, so that pharma company is achieve only 25% of its sales target in 1 year. What are the questions which is given in the case study? First question is make a SWOT analysis of the company, and second one is as a marketing manager suggest a suitable marketing plan for the new product launched by the company. First, answer first. What is SWOT analysis? SWOT analysis represents strengths, weakness, opportunities, and threats. What are the strengths and what are the weaknesses? What are the opportunities? What are the threats? Are described in the case studies. That strengths, small distribution channel. This is the strength of the pharma company, that the small distribution channel are there so that they easily reach to the customer. High product quality, the quality of the product is also very high so that they achieve more customers. Diversify nature, they also classify his product or his quality into various segments so that like that they produce also biscuits and vitamin biscuits and all, so that they are diversify his markets. Strong workforce. What are the weaknesses? Weaknesses are poor experience. They have poor experience of uh, in markets, strict government rules and regulations. Pharma company also have strict regulations and rules which is conducted by the government. Lack of branding. What are the opportunities? The various opportunities are available in the market for the pharmaceuticals companies. The first opportunity are global demand for generics. The demand for the generic medicines and the drugs, it's globally represent, so that it's an opportunity to the pharmaceutical companies. Healthcare awareness can increase brand value. Online retailing, this is also an opportunity for the pharmaceutical company, that they they promote their product online, so that they reach mass customers, driving further innovation. Threats threats are represents threats represents the what are the external environmental threats which is faced by the pharmaceuticals companies. Supermarkets, foreign players with the advanced technology. Yes, we all know that foreign players are came to our country and with a smart advanced technology, so it's also a threat to the pharmaceuticals companies. Technology improvement and shifts. The answer of second question is that as a marketing manager, what is a suitable marketing plan for new product launch? So the new product launch plan for the new product launch are there. If company divided the margin into small packets, then they easily sell the product. Like that, they sell 25 gram packet consists of 4 5 biscuits in each at a price of 10. Then they target all class of persons who are health conscious. By this, they sell more and more products. Like that, if they if they sell 50-gram packet consists of 5 to 10 number of biscuits at a price of 20 and 25, so that they reach all class of persons in market. Company also do marketing on a digital platform, so that more people are know about the product and they can buy the product online. Company also do the camping for the product in rural area, so that rural persons also know about the product and who all are health conscious are purchase that product. In camping, company describe the ingredient and quality of the product, so that people believe in the product. At the end, the conclusion is that pharmaceutical company was established in 2005 who manufacture and distribute pharma drugs and medicines to the market. Yeah, we all know that they launch a new product in the market related to the health conscious person. Company promote their product on radio, newspaper, medical store, but they didn't achieve their sales target in first year. So, as a marketing manager of the company, give suggestions that the pricing policy should be changed. That means company also prefer their product in low price, so that other people also purchase that health conscious biscuit in market. Company also change the packaging and advertising methods in order to reach out more customers. Company do marketing on a digital platform, so that they all sell product online also. Company should identify core customers and target customers, so that they easily sell their product in the market. This is all about from my side. Thank you.